The history of watercolor painting is very old and rich, which started in prehistoric times, and its popularity continues even today. Based on this, we have created handmade art textures in the Masterly collection, in which our talented artists create textures with their hands, and then color tone artists add colors to it, which is the latest trend. This collection is very unique and distinctive, so it can be preferred in interior and architecture. It is an excellent collection for wallpaper manufacturing and ceramic tile manufacturing. Cirrus. Watercolor paint is an ancient form of painting in which the artist has created a texture of dark color on top and light color below. Marmolgrafico. The popularity of acrylic has inspired many innovations. Here artists have created this beautiful texture using acrylic colors and texture-creating tools. Sensu. Acrylic can be applied in thin coat or washes to create effects similar to watercolor and other water-based medium. The artist has created a rippling effect reminiscent of waves in the ocean. The history of watercolor painting is very old and rich, which started in prehistoric times, and its popularity continues even today. The skill and dedication of the artist are evident in the details and quality of the artwork. Handmade art creates a connection between the viewer and the artist, fostering a deeper appreciation for the art. Each handmade textures is a unique creation, adding an exclusive and personal touch to your collection. Thank you for watching the video.